Welcome to Vignesh SS Sable. We are going to unbox Syska trimmer, Syska HT3052K Cordless trimmer. If you are new at our channel, then don't forget to subscribe for more updates and stay tuned for new videos. First of all, we removed the shrink wrap from the box. Basically, this is ordered from Flipkart. For price and more detail, check this full video till the end. Then broke the seal by Syska. It is well managed, boxed. So it's broken. Yeah. Let's see what is inside the box. Syska is providing lots of many accessories with this kind of trimmers. So we need to check it out in this video. We are going to check it out. Yeah. So wow, very nice packaging, Syska. Don't forget to give the like for Syska's packing. Your charger and carrying case for travel and all. Very nice quality. Syska warranty card. We need to write our name and all the details. Some leaflets, instruction manuals and all. Let's check the main kit. What is inside it? I think lots of accessories with comb and all the things. Brush all. First of all, the trimmer. Very nice quality. It's excellent. It's different. Small, large, and all different types of trimming accessories with this are provided by Syska. Please give me a comment section below your questions about what type of video you like I should make with this kind of kits and all. So comment below your questions and queries. So let's start it. On it. Yeah, on it. Nice sound. Let's check. Very nice quality. Syska done a lot of work. The top charger placed at downside of the box. So let's see it first. Let's open it. You can place it on our table or axis. Put the charging on and all the stuffs are together, which is a nice case. Stand. We can call this a stand. Yeah, nice stand. All the accessories put together on our table like that. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Vignesh SS Sable.